I am Prajakta Agarwadekar. I have secured 89% in my SSC board results 2020, which were held in March 2020.
Okay. How did you manage to get so high score?
I used to work every day, listen to my teachers' encouragement, and self confidence is the mantra to my success.
Okay. How did you feel during this pandemic that you had to wear mask and also everything?
First, I was a little afraid because how will we able to write the papers? Then I used to study with mask every day, which helped me in writing the paper till the end.
Okay. Now, what was the timetable basically?
My timetable, I did not have a regular timetable. I used to take breaks during my study time, and I used to study for 10 to 11 hours.
Were you anxious to answer the SSC exam since this year it was delayed?
Yeah, first I was afraid. Then I remembered my motivation. I was inspired, and my teachers always encouraged us to get good marks. So I wanted to raise the name of our school.
So, what is the next plan?
I'm taking science, and I'm going in engineering stream in order to get my future dream fulfilled.
Okay. Now that you had a lot of friends in the school and you will miss them, what do you feel?
I'm feeling a little sad because I'm losing such good friends in school, but but the but I'll not lose the friendship with them. I'll keep contacting them in future.
I'm Dipasha Shirodkar and I have secured 87.83% in my SSC. I'm from St. Thomas Girls High School.
How did you manage to get it?
I used to usually study for 8 to 9 or 10 hours.
And during this pandemic, how did you manage to study?
First, I had lost hope that exams would not be there, but then my parents and teachers, friends, and all motivated me and told me to study.
Okay. Who are the people whom you have to give credit to?
First of all, my parents who allowed me to go to school, and then my teachers who taught me so much.
Okay. And now that what is your next plan?
I'm taking science stream and I would like to do my bachelor's and then go to IIT.
Okay. So how did you? What was your timetable like?
Um, I would never get up in the morning or study late night, just during evening hours and morning. That's it.
So did you go for tuition?
No, never.
So you never went, but
No.
you study on your own.
Yeah, my parents only taught me.
Okay. Now you had a lot of friends in the school, and it's very sad that you will miss them. What do you want to say?
Hmm. No, I'll be in contact with them through social media, and some of them are joining me in the same college now, so I'll meet them.
So are you grateful to your school for all that they
Yeah,
did?
sure.
My name is Levina Maria D'Souza and I am studying in St. Thomas Girls High School, Aldona. I have secured 88.66% in my SSC examination, which was held in March 2020.
Okay. How do you answer your exam by wearing a mask for the first time?
Yeah, it was difficult a bit, but yeah, it was suffocating, and sometimes the light had gone, so we were feeling like suffocating. So it was a bit difficult.
Were you anxious to answer the exams because this year it was delayed?
Yes, I was very anxious because it determined my future, and yes, I was very excited.
Okay. How did you manage your timetable for your study?
Regarding the timetable, I usually do not have a perfect timetable as saying so, but yeah, I used to study in the evenings um, because I knew that I had to study and I had to get good percentage. I was very determined to do that. I have to do what I have to do.
Okay. Are you going for tuition?
No, I have not gone for tuitions.
So, besides your studies, what other co-curricular activities you are taking part?
I am I'm good in sports. I play volleyball, throwball, football, and I am a musician. I play the keyboard and the violin, and yeah, I'm good at singing and academics.
Yeah. So, what are your next future now?
Yeah, I really want to be a gynecologist, so I will be taking science this year.
You are taking science now. So, are you prepared for that now?
Yes, I am preparing myself. Yes.
So, you will be missing your school friends. How do you miss them?
Really, I will be missing my friends. They are very like close to me, but I am happy that some of my friends are also accompanying me in my future school.
Okay, what's a short message to the students who are going to answer next time?
Be focused, and you God will do the rest.
My name is Geeta Bajari and I'm studying in St. Thomas Girls High School, Aldona, and I have secured 87.83% in my SSC exams.
How you manage to do?
It was very difficult for me because my parents are not educated, but still my sister, she's in 12th now, 12th, she's in 12th. She and helped me.
Okay. Basically, how did you plan your timetable?
I would get up at 4, walk in the garden for 1 hour because it's fresh for freshmen, and then pray for 15 minutes and then start my studies.
So, are you going for tuition?
No,
So, you have started self-study.
yes.
Okay, so basically now, what is the next plan?
I'm taking science and doing nursing in Xavier's.
Okay. Who are the people who helped you?
My class teacher, Teacher Varsha, she had a very great trust in me and she would help me every day in school. And she helped me a lot in my studies. So because of her, I got the bus.
Yeah. And what is the next plan now?
I'm taking science
Fine.
and doing nursing.
Okay. Now that you had a lot of friends in school, you will miss them.
No, I'm in contact with them through social media.
Okay. Now that see, you said your parents were not educated, but you have made it up. What's your message to other students? What do you want to say to the other students?
They should never give up.
Just to study.
Yes.
My name is Kanishka Naik and and I was studying in St. Thomas Girls High School and I got 85%.
How did you study like,
I studied the morning. I got up at 5 o'clock and I studied, and
during the day?
during the day, every day, like
Yeah. Were you
till 8 o'clock and all.
were you stressed this exam because of the delay?
Yes, little, but I used to study every day.
Okay, hoping your exams will take place.
Yes.
Okay. Then what is the next plan now?
Uh, I will be taking science and let's see, and doing fashion designing.
Okay, so you are doing fashion designing. How did your parents help you in that?
My parents helped me a lot. They guided me, taught me something which I didn't know and all.
Okay. Now that you are going for the higher studies and all, you will have your favorite friends in the school, and you will miss them. So what do you have to say?
Nothing. I'll miss them a lot, but we'll phone each other and we'll talk to them.
Okay, what is your short message to the people who are going to answer you?
Don't stress too much. Study every day. Study little, learn. Read your textbooks. And you'll
Hello everyone, I'm teacher Jaya from St. Thomas Girls High School, Aldona. We are very happy with our results this year as our students have excelled in spite of the pandemic and they have done very well. We have secured 21 distinctions and a lot of first classes also. So overall we are very happy for the students and also we congratulate the parents for being with them and for helping them in doing so well after all the problems they had to face.
I'm very happy with the results that we have got this time with 95.45% in spite of the uh, lockdown, and children have done well and our highest percentage is 89%, and we have got 21 distinctions, 21 first class, 19 second class, and we have 3 pass class, and 3 needs improvement. So in a special way, I thank God for blessing us with these results, and all my staff members, teaching and non-teaching, for all the support that I have received during this year. And I also thank our parents, PTA, being very strong and supportive towards us during this pandemic, and also during this online classes to get in touch with our students. Thank you, and God bless you.